Your patients deserve the best treatment, and so do you. That's why DigiDent Labs is committed to empowering innovative dental solutions that make your patients and practice feel fantastic. With DigiDents' digital workflow, you receive restorations faster, optimal efficiency, and patient care. From our digital impressions and CAD/CAM technologies to our precision milling and final restorations, we are the industry leader in digital innovation. Our passion for perfection, a full-time dentist on site, exceptional turn time, accuracy, and groundbreaking technologies has led to unbeatable customer service. It's no secret that every restoration represents your practice. Ensure your practice by choosing a lab where stunning smiles are created daily using high-quality, affordable, USA-made restorations. Our digital workflow helps give you confidence in the products you present to your patients. Choose the best. Choose DigiDent Labs. Let's build the future of dentistry together. Go online to www.digidentlabs.com to learn more today.